Hello students, in last lecture we have learnt the theme of the lesson as well as some difficult words, and I have explained the lesson of the great scientist. Today I will give some question answers on lesson as well as some grammar sentences. Okay, this is the last lesson for your first semester exam, so pay attention on blackboard. The name of the lesson is 2.7 Great Scientist. This lesson is written by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam and Srijan Palsi. Okay. Now answer the following question. Where was Michael Faraday born? First question is, where was Michael Faraday born? Michael Faraday was born in a poverty-stricken family. He was from very poor family in a dirty London suburb. Very dirty place. He came from that very rural area and he became the scientist. He was born in a very poor family, although he becomes a scientist. Second question is, what came to an end when Michael Faraday was 12? Means when he was just 12 years old, what came to an end? See here, when he was 12 years old only, his formal education came to an end. He did not go to school because he belongs to a very poor family. He was just 12 years old, he left his school. Still he studied hard in an informal education and got the degree and he became the scientist. Okay. Third question is about grammar question. Other children laughed at him. What you have to do? You have to add question tag. Write the sentence at it. Other children laughed at him. Make the comma. See here, in this sentence, there is no auxiliary verb or helping verb. So, if there is no auxiliary helping verb, you need to use do, did, does according to the tense of the verb. Other children laughed at him. Laughed is a past tense form of laugh. Past tense of laugh. So, it is a past tense sentence. Okay. So, what we have to do when the sentence in past tense, we have to use did as a helping verb. So, I have written here did, but the sentence is in affirmative, so I have to make it negative. I have to add not there, so didn't. The children one or more than one, so I have used their pronoun they. So question tag will be didn't they. Didn't they means here other children. So what will be the question tag? Other children laughed at him, comma, didn't they. Okay, understood. Fourth question is, Faraday solved the problem. What you have to do? You have to change the voice. As I have already told you, there are two types of voice, active voice and passive voice. Okay. So the Faraday solved the problem. The sentence, which voice is having in this sentence? Faraday solved the problem. The sentence is an active voice. How? Faraday is the subject, solved, verb and the problem. When the sentence is having subject, verb, object, the sentence will be active voice. When you are going to change into passive voice, the object becomes subject. What is the object? The problem. The problem. Okay. The sentence is in past tense, so I have used here was. Okay. Subject plus to be form. Then I have to use past participle of the verb or third form of the verb. What is the third form of the verb? Solve, solved, solved. So I have used here V3 form. The problem was solved by Faraday, means by him. So what is the change of voice? The problem was solved by him. Okay. There is the one sentence, true or false. Faraday's laws are about electricity. Most of the laws are about electricity. This is a true sentence from the lesson. So these are some question answers, some grammar sentences from the lesson. Now I declare that the syllabus of first semester is over. You have to study from unit number 1.1 to 2.7 thoroughly. Go through all the videos which I have sent on our group. Study it well. See it twice, thrice. Understand topics. If you have any problem, you can ask me and complete this homework and send it to me. One more very important instruction I am repeating again. Your internal assessments is how many marks? Who will tell me? 40 marks. What is that? Homework, project, okay, unit test and oral. Oral is of 5 marks. homework 5 marks, 10 marks project, and 20 marks your unit test. So you have to complete your project first. You have to complete your 5 homeworks, which already I have given in the previous videos. Go through all the videos. You will see that I have given month-wise homework. Homework number 1, its date, name of the lesson. Also, just check it properly. Go through it and write 5 homeworks and send it to my personal WhatsApp number. Again, I am telling you, you have to prepare one project. The name of the project is, what is the name of the project? What I have already told you before, information about COVID-19. At least 10 pages should be there in single line, 100 pages only. No need to prepare separate file and project paper. Only 200 or 100 pages notebook, single line. 10 pages of information along with the photos of COVID, Corona, like that, and at the end certificate should be there. So do send it on my personal account number, your homework, 5 homeworks, date wise, then your project, then your workbook. You have to fill up the workbook. Workbook is having the marks. Keep your mind. Your internal assessment is of 50 marks, and again here your paper is of 50 marks. Okay, there will be MCQ questions. Answer the following, then true and false, and some grammar topics. Do as directed. This will be your question paper pattern. I will give some question answers for revision to you, because in next month, probably in the first week of November, your first semester exam is going to start. Your paper will be of 50 marks. Okay, so do practice well, do study well, listen, write and practice. Watch the videos again and again, which I have already sent you on the group. Go through every video properly from lesson number 1.1 to lesson number 2.7. Thoroughly understand it properly. If you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. But do study well, practice well, and most important thing is complete your homework, project, workbook, and send to me. Not only me, to every subject teachers, because you are having internal mark for every subject. So send it to them and send it to me also within 2 days. Today and tomorrow you are having time to complete your workbook, complete your project, and complete your 5 good handwriting homeworks in single line 100 pages notebook. Understood? I will not repeat again. If you don't know, just take any 5 questions of any video, write in the notebook of homework, and give the dates from June, July, August, September and October. 5 months, 5 dates along with the lessons name. Already I have given to you. Go through it. Check it properly. If you don't have, just write any 5 questions from any lesson which I have given on the blackboard. Okay. Suppose you are my great scientist. See, 5 questions I have given to you. Write these 5 questions in homework number 5. It may happen. No problem. But go thoroughly and send it to me without any telling problems. Don't fail to send me all these things today and tomorrow only. I will just make your record. I will write your marks in a separate page. Those will not send within 2 days. Their marks will be remain 0. Keep your mind. I am telling you very frankly, because I have already given to you before this. So do complete it well, practice it well, go through all the lessons from lesson number 1.1 to 2.7. Watch every videos properly, twice, thrice, number of times you can watch it. If you do have any problem, you can ask me anytime. Okay. So all the best for your first semester exam. Again, I will take some revision. I will send some question answers to you. Practice them well. It may ask from that only. Some question may be asked from this only. So go through every question. Go through the workbook questions also. Fill up the workbook with pencil. Why? Because you are doing mistakes while writing. So it happens mistake over there. So fill up the workbook with pencil and send me that copies to my personal WhatsApp number along with the project and 5 homeworks. Okay, understood? Thank you.